Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Charts. The analysis here done is purely through price action. We don't use any indicator for our analysis, it is purely through price action. So today is 6th November, weekend date, Saturday, and we have done the weekend analysis on various stocks in the stock market, and we found out three very interesting charts which look very bullish, and we thought we can keep these three charts in our watch list so that it's a moment we can observe and if at all if you want to take the trade, we can do the trade at a proper position with proper risk analysis. So with this, let us move to the chart straight away. So this is the first chart. This is the daily chart of stock per new stock, and in the daily chart, what you are able to see, we are able to see that it is forming a good consolidation. The chart is forming a consolidation and it is trying to go up from here. See, this is the box and it is trading in between the box for quite some time. From June onwards it is moving inside this box. Now this is the Diwali Muhurat candle. This is a small 1 hour of trading session, 1 hour of trading session, and it has formed a dozy kind of candle. But see the volume in just 1 hour, it has traded with so much volume. This indicates, and it is at the breakout level. This indicates that people are bullish on it, and people are high volume is being traded at a breakout level, and that too in 1 hour time. It indicates that people are have confidence on this stock, and they are putting their money. So this is the daily chart, but if you see um, the volumes, see this volume whenever it is at a support level and trying to go up, the volumes are more. When it is at a support level, it is giving the good volume, and when it is trying to break out the resistance zones, then also volumes are also good. Now again it is trying to break out last 3 4 days. If you see, it is generating good volume. So this is the daily chart, and if you see the weekly chart, um, if you see the weekly chart, see this chart is also looking very interesting because last few weeks it is generating good amount of volume, and it is trying to clear this consolidation zone, and the breakout candle which is forming uh, last week. So also supported by good volume. So this gives indication that it may go further up. So if you see the monthly candle also same similar interesting pattern. You can see this volume are getting generated very high, and it is trying to break out from this zone, and it is forming a good bullish candle, and it is trying to break out from here, and after it is trading at 117 range, and if it clears this breakout sustains, then the next visible resistance is looking near 280 zone. So it has enough room to go up to 280 with a little resistance. And if it clears that also, it can move up. But our intention is to look for this moment up to this. So this is the chart, daily, weekly, and monthly. Now, what is this chart? What is the name of the stock? It is UFO Movies. UFO Movies. This belongs to entertainment industry, and we feel that it is from the price action. We have picked this stock, and maybe entertainment industry which was closed, almost closed, doing no business during the pandemic restrictions, now seems to be catching up the market. So that is why we have and we are able to see the reflection in their price movement. So that is why we have kept this UFO Movies in our radar. So this is about UFO Movies. Now we'll move to the next chart. Next chart is like this daily chart. If you see this daily chart movement, whenever price is breaking out from a consolidation zone, it is giving a bullish candle and it is supported by good volume. Now here it is doing a consolidation and it is breaking out and it is supported by good volume. Similarly, here also it is doing consolidation and from breaking out supported by good volume. Here also it is doing a kind of consolidation and it is trying to break out and volume is also not bad. This is the daily chart of the stock. And if you see the weekly chart, in weekly chart also you can see a good nice rounding bottom kind of pattern. You can say the cup pattern. So it is trying to break this resistance zone and with a good amount of volume. So that is why this price action actually uh, gives me indication that these are the potential to go further up. If this sustains, then there is enough room for its movement towards upside. So this is the weekly chart. If you see the monthly chart also, it is still more fascinating because in monthly chart, if you see the volumes last 3 4 5 months 6 months, the volumes are getting increasing and it is this cup and handle pattern, it is breaking it out from here, and if this breakout is sustained, then it has see the amount of room it has without any much resistance. Here a little bit consolidation may happen, but towards 200 it can travel towards 200 in short period of time. But our goal is not to take the trade immediately. Our intention is to observe the price movement here, because this price movement is a gives an indication that it may go up, it may go down also, but from at looking at the current position, we can look this particular stock for a bull side. Now, what is the name of the stock? It is the name is the Bike Hospitality. Bike Hospital belongs to a hotel and hospitality sector, and this sector was also doing very bad during pandemic restrictions. And now, since it is opening up, it may the this hospitality and hotel industry may grow. So that is why the price also the that strength is also looked in the price movement. So that is why we have kept this stock in our watch list. Now, next chart, if you see, this chart is also forming similar kind of consolidation and trying to break out on the last day. Means last trading day, it has tried to break out. See the consolidation zone here, and it is trying to break out the consolidation zone with a good amount of volume. Now, what is the consolidation that what is this breakout candle? When it was formed, it was formed on the Muhurat day, Muhurat trading day. Muhurat trading lasts for only 1 hour. In 1 hour, see the amount of volume it is generating, and it is trying to break out from that range. That gives a clear indication that big players, because so much volume means it is traded by big players also. Big players are taking the position, and on Muhurat day, suppose somebody is taking position, they will not keep it for a short period of time. They have their intention is to keep the stock on hold in their portfolio at least for 1 year or so. So that means so much volume are being traded in just 1 hour of time, and that to a Muhurat day. So it gives a feeling that it may break out from here, and the journey will start from here towards the upper range. So if this is the daily chart, and if you see the weekly chart also, you see the consolidation it is doing from this date, from I mean in 2019 onwards, it is moving inside this range, and for the first time it is tried to break out onto this weekly candle closed above the consolidation, that channel, and it is supported by volume. Last few weeks also the volumes are also increasing, so that gives an indication that it has and also it has room for improve. Go up, like up to this level also it can go up. So so much potential, so much room without much resistance, and it is trying to break out at a lower level. So this is how we have picked this stock for this analysis. Now if you see the monthly chart also, monthly charts also looks very interesting. See, this is the breakout level. This is the consolidation level started from here, and it is forming a channel at the last 1 year or so, and from the channel it is trying to break out, and volumes are also getting traded very high volume. So that is and this month, this is the monthly volume, but in month this month only one three 4 days have been traded. Trading session has happened, but see how much volume it has generated. That means it has potential to go up if this breakout sustains, and if this breakout sustains, it has room up to 180 or so all-time high, with small consolidations may happen in this range, but it has the potential to move up. So this is the third stock we are recommending to keep it in your watch list. The name of the stock is Mirza International. Mirza International is a export-oriented company. They manufacture leather garments, leather products, and they also export to different parts of the world. And during pandemic also, it was also this manufacturing industry was also badly hit. Now it is trying to cover up. How we are able to know? We are able to know from the price action. Because from the price action, it seems that it is trying to catch up the previous high. Okay, so that is why we have picked this stock for our analysis to for our this weekend's analysis. Now, if you see, we have suggested three stocks on 6th November, Saturday. Weekend analysis. The first one is UFO, second Bike, third is Mirza. And the first one belongs to entertainment industry. This is hotel and hospitality. This is garment industry, and these are the current price. So if you keep these stocks in your watch list, and you can observe the price movement, and if at all if you want to take the trade at you select the best position where you can trade, where the stop loss is minimum and reward is very high. So that kind of location you can take the trade with proper stop loss and the risk analysis. Then you can this stock has the potential to go give you very good return. So with that, we have completed the today's analysis. Another angle of picking this stock is that, as I discussed, this pandemic-led restrictions. These were the three industries which were badly hit during the pandemic-led restrictions, and since it is being now eased out, so these three industries are likely to perform well, and that is already been reflected in their price movement. So observe these three stocks in your watch list, and do your analysis and take the trade if you want to take position on this. So these are the currently another fascination is that key these stocks are currently being traded at near bottom level. So with the risk is so very low, whereas the reward is very high. So you can observe this, and if you are okay, then you can take position on this with proper risk analysis, proper stop loss, because these are the very important things we should adhere to, and we should take a position at the right area. So with this, we are concluding today's analysis. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring more such analysis in future. So that's all for today. and see you with the next video. Thank you. Thank you.